Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. I'm currently at Point Lookout, New York, and I'm going for deep sea fishing. Today's target fish are cod, blackfish, passion fishing, happy living. Let's board the boat and have fun. Oh!
Where's it going?
Right there in that bar.
Walk it?
Yeah, 500 liter. Hey,
Squad
babies.
Where's the big ones?
Dog. Dogfish. Fuck. Too many dogfish. Money, man. Oh, man. What that? Gotta be some good thing. Flip? Ooh. Equal size? Yeah. Oh, I didn't catch it. Oh, shark. Dogfish. Dogfish. Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm done for today's fishing. I caught 7 cod, 4 of them are keepers. There's so many dogfish that messed up some performance, but overall I have a good time. I'm looking forward to come back and do some more fishing. From deep sea of Long Island, New York, this fish came a long way to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe. It's called pan-seared cod. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, remove the scale. Then cut off the fins. Remove the head and the guts at this time. Finally, cut the fish into 1-inch pieces. Marinate the fish with salt and pepper. Lock the moisture with olive oil. Prepare some of your favorite vegetables. Olive oil in the pan and apply some salt to prevent the fish from sticking to it. Fry the fish on its side for about 3 minutes. Add some rosemary if you have. Now let's stir fry the vegetable. Add some salt and pepper to the veggie. Now the fish is done. Keep finishing up cooking the veggie. For the sauce, melting some butter in the pan. Add a teaspoon soybean paste in the butter. Finally, add some fresh lemon juice. This is the pan-seared cod with soybean paste lemon sauce. If you like this video, please give me thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. The subscription is free and your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.